Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of July, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.78. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 48.02% since we first listed Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 49 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.98% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper range of a strong upward trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a pullback towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $147.37 would indicate an even stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 62.55% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 49.08% and 63.80%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of negative 25.75%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 67.01% and negative 25.77% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $48.24 and $108.56. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline: Advanced Micro Devices stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to buy candidate after Monday trading session. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price decreased by nearly 0.1% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, dropping from $146.42 to $146.24. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.98%, with a day low of $141.91 and a day high of $147.56. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown a gain of 1.69%, with stock volume also declining on the last day, which is generally considered a positive indicator since volume should follow the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 8 million shares, resulting in a total of 42 million shares being traded for approximately $6.12 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $185.50, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price stands 21.16%, or $39.26, below the 52-week high, and 35.66%, or $81.06, below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, where AMD is currently at a pivotal moment, aiming for a remarkable trillion-dollar valuation within the next 5 years. Recently, discussions have emerged regarding AMD's strategic moves in the burgeoning artificial intelligence market. The focus is on the MI300 and MI350 chip series, which position AMD as a formidable competitor against NVIDIA in AI infrastructure. Analysts have responded positively, with HSBC even raising its price target for AMD to $200, reflecting strong revenue growth and improved net income. As AMD prepares for the upcoming second quarter earnings, key drivers such as data center revenue and successful mergers and acquisitions are critical for their growth trajectory. The performance during this quarter could significantly influence investor sentiment and stock price, especially as the market watches closely for AMD's ability to catch up with NVIDIA. Additionally, AMD has been recognized as a trending stock and one of the top picks in the current earnings season, highlighting investor interest and potential upward momentum. With AMD's strategic focus on artificial intelligence and its solid partnerships with major tech players like OpenAI and Microsoft, the company is well-positioned for long-term growth. In the short term, strong earnings reports and positive analyst forecasts could lead to increased buying activity, driving the stock price higher. Conversely, execution risks remain a concern that could temper enthusiasm. Overall, AMD's current developments suggest promising potential for both immediate and future gains in the competitive semiconductor landscape. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a hold rating alongside a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, Piper Sandler reported giving AMD an overweight rating with an upgrade action. On the same day, Wolfe Research rated AMD as outperform and also recommended an upgrade action. Additionally, on Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, HSBC rated AMD as a buy and suggested an upgrade action. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, Bernstein assigned AMD a reduced rating while recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. Should there be a correction, support can be expected at $140.81 and $127.57. A drop below either of these levels would generate sell signals. However, some negative signals have also emerged which may influence the near-term outlook. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, July 11, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 0.123%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which helps lower the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 14 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 50 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 49 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 56 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 33 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $127.10 and $126.39. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support. In the case of Advanced Micro Devices, if the support at $127.10 is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $126.39 and $117.72. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.65 between its high and low points, which represents a change of 3.98%. For the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 3.10%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $540 million. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $146.42. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $127.10. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of June 2025, Guido Philipp conducted an insider purchase of 7,494 shares of common stock. On the same day, Guido Philipp also conducted an insider sale of 2,097 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 15th of June 2025, Guido Philipp sold 7,494 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June 2025, Papermaster Mark D made an insider purchase of 17,500 shares of common stock. On the same day, Papermaster Mark D also conducted an insider sale of 16,586 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 7.644. In total, insiders purchased 691,669 shares and sold 811,905 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $140.94, representing a decline of 3.63%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a heightened level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal that was identified from a pivot top just 1 day ago. Is advanced micro devices stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for advanced micro devices stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 15th of July, we anticipate that advanced micro devices will open lower by $1 and begin trading at $145.24. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.